right, special thanks to this company for sending us their wireless Bluetooth business headset. Now this is the YYK-520, and you can see it's version 5.2, ergonomic design, ultra lightweight. Nothing around the box. The back just has some information on it. So it says wireless version 5.2. I'm guessing that's Bluetooth version 5.2 because, I mean, it's a business wireless headset. That I don't know. Maybe it's not Bluetooth. We'll have to see. Yeah, wireless frequency for Android, for iPhone, for tablets. Interesting. So 12 hours of call time. Charging time is about an hour and a half. 150 hours of standby time. Play time is approximately 12 hours, and it has a 60 milliamp hour battery. So let's open this on up and take a look at it. See what comes inside here. All right, and let's take it out of this package. Ooh, I like. That's it for the box. So it has an included little USB-C type cable to charge it, and then well, that's it. So down here is your user's manual. So this should tell you everything about pairing the device and stuff like that. It looks like it is Bluetooth from what I can see. So it is a Bluetooth device. Let's open it up, take a look at this. Look at that presentation. Wow. So this is how much battery it has. So it came with a full charge ready to go. Now there's only there is three. So it looks like we got a small, that's probably a medium, and a large. Since it's only one, you know, that makes it pretty easy. You only need one of these. This little piece of tape here is covering that to stop it from charging. So that's very nice. So you've got a USB-C port here on the back to plug in if you need to plug the item directly in, and this has a USB-C port right here. Very nice. Now it looks like you got a plus and minus button here for calling, and then also a button here and a button here. You would of course wear it something about like that. It'd be kind of down because you want this mic to pick up your voice, and these buttons are on the bottom and this one's on the side. Not a bad design. I actually really like it. It looks like this will hook onto your ear and it shouldn't fall out. I really like that part of this device myself. And then there's also this nice microphone right here. Very nice. So that should essentially do it for this unboxing. Again, special thanks to this company for sending us their wireless business headset, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.